Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. Today we are going to learn about how to loop over the files in a directory. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So let me copy this is directory path we required. Okay, so let's paste this code and try to check what will go over here. Comment this and first write your directory path. So currently I will write my directory path, this one. So here we go with my directory path. Okay, so check first if the directory exists or not with the help of the -d directory path. Then loop, for loop is there. For loop, file in directory path. Okay, all whatever. Okay, do if -file, then check if it's a file, not a directory. So we are checking with the help of the -f flag. Check if it's a file, not a directory. If it is a file, echo processing the file, perform operations on the file over here, f5. Okay, then do done, else the directory part does not exist. Let's have a look. So processing the file, that is test.txt. Okay, so here you can perform your actions, whatever you want to process the file, you can want to print the details, whatever they have. So you can perform your operations over here. So first we check the directory exists or not. Second, then we have a for loop through the files in the directory, file in the directory path. Okay, do if -file, then check if it's a file, not a directory, echo processing $file. Okay, then processing file is, this is the file, whatever file we have in this, that is test.txt. Okay, test.txt file, processing the file. Then here we have to operations, you have to add the logic, whether you want to manipulate the data, whether you want to show the data, print the data, you have to perform the logic over here. Okay, then if it is something there's not, then directory does not exist. Okay, so let's understand more into detail. So here we go with this one, directory path. Replace this with the path of the directory you want to look through. If -d directory path, then checks if the directory exists. -d flag checks for the existence and is a directory. Okay, for file in a directory path, do loop through the all the files in the specific directory. If -f file, then checks if the current item in the loop is a file, not a directory, using the -f flag. Echo processing the file prints the name of the file being processed. Perform operations on the file. Here you can include your operations or the commands that you want to execute for each file within this loop. Okay, this script checks if the specified directory exists, then loops through each file in that directory and perform operations specifically for the files, not directories. Okay, make sure of that one. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.